Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine. Today we'll learn how we can make jiggle physics by using the Kawaii physics. This will be an easy and short video for beginner. In the previous class we know about the spin bone controller, but today we are using the Kawaii physics for jiggling. Okay, you can see we have two character, one is spin bone control on Kawaii physics, and you can see both character have some jiggle physics here. So today we learn the difference between these two popular physics and how to use Kawaii physics for jiggle. So let's begin. So here you can see we have two assistants here, Jolly and Jolly One. One have spin bone controller, the previously video we made, and another one is Kawaii physics. And here, if we simulate the viewport, you can see we have some jiggle physics here, but in here we have nothing because we are not using the Kawaii physics yet. So now we are adding the Kawaii physics to our assistant to Jolly One. Okay. So here we are going to Jolly One animation blueprint. So this is Jolly One and this is Jolly One animation blueprint. If we open the blueprint, you can see we don't have any uh, jiggle physics here. And if we want the ABP1 Jolly, you can see if I go to the anim graph, you can see we are using the spring bone controller. If you don't watch the previous video, you can watch it and you will be learn something new. Okay, so here we are adding the Kawaii physics. Both are same but difference between the art. Okay, so here we have first of all we have to go skeleton mesh here. This is our skeleton mesh, and we are just hide the bone here. And for this also we need this bone. Okay, this is a chest bone. Our pectoral. We copy the bone name here and also we hide the bone because this look not nice. We just go with select only, and now we are going to ABP Jolly One and we are search a note Kawaii physics Kawaii. So here is the Kawaii physics note. You can see the skeleton mesh control, and we need two because we control two bone here. Okay, and now we are connect the wire here. This will automatically make two nodes, local to component and component to local here, and just compile it. So here you can see there is a error because we don't add the bone here. We need to add the root bone here. So here is the root bone. We are just search the copy name of our bone. I think the bone name is not copy. So I'm just head back here and copy the bone name. And now I'm just pasted. So here is our pectoral here, and also we are adding the left pectoral here. So we are just control B. This is pectoral, and I am using ninja technique to find the L pectoral. And now we are just compile it. So here you can see nothing is happening here because we don't add any bounce control here. In the spin bone controller, this is called the spring stiffness, but in Kawaii physics, this is called the bumpy bone length. Okay, so if we select the 200 here, like the previous video we have, if we select 200, you can see our control is far from away. And if we just compile it and just simulate the viewport, you can see nothing is happening because our spin bone controller is far from the body. So we are head back to the jolly one. This is the difference between the spin control, bone control, and the Kawaii physics. In spin bone control, the more value you make, the more bouncy your character uh, jiggle will be more bouncy. Okay, but in Kawaii physics, the more lower than you make lower than the value, more bouncy your character body will. So we are just make it 10. Okay, 10 is for mine. You can choose your own value for suitable for your character. I'm just choosing the 10 for the both. Okay, so now you can see our character have now jiggle physics, guys. You can see, look at this. The Kawaii physics is a totally perfect jiggle physics bone control, a perfect physics for Unreal Engine and anywhere like Blender, Maya. Kawaii physics is good for a character and it's make perfection. You can see in the screen bone controller sometimes it's look weird. You can see the character jiggle physics is like weirding, but in Kawaii physics you can see the movement is so perfect. So today that's it for today. Thank you very much. This class is short and easy. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe because the maximum of my viewer don't subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and support me, guys. Okay, I need your support, guys. Thank you very much.